Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to list your first item on eBay. So step 1, you need to set up your eBay seller account. Go to ebay.com, click register to create a free account. You can choose personal or business. Once logged in, go to your eBay, go to account settings, and then tap on payments. Here, you need to set up or link your bank account under payments to get paid. So set up your payment account right here. So once done, step 2, prepare what you're selling. Choose an item in good condition from around your home. It could be electronics, clothing, games, etc. And make sure it's clean and presentable. Take 3 to 5 clear photos with good lighting. Gather details like brand, model, size, and condition. So here on eBay, what you're going to do is you have to log in and then tap on sell. Now, enter your item's name. For example, let's just say dress. In the search bar, eBay may show matching products. Click one if it fits or click continue without matching to build your own listing. So you have to select from any of this. For example, you have the same dress like this one, you have to click that. Once you have selected that item, step 4, you need to fill out the listing form. So you're about to add here or enter here the information about your item, the title, photos, item details, and also description. So first you have to add pictures, and then after that you have to add the information below here. You can now add a description of your title right here below. And then once you've added description, now it's about time to choose a price format. For buy it now, beginners set a fixed price. For auction, if you're unsure if the value starts low and lets buyer. For shipping, you can choose a shipping option, flat rate or calculated. eBay will suggest the cheapest label and then select handling time. So after that, you're gonna double check everything and then checklist it. Your item is now live. You will get a notification from eBay package once the item is sold. So drop it off or schedule pickup, then mark it as shipped. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.